Buongiorno. Hey guys, listen, I'm just wrapping up 2 months. 2 months in Puglia, Italy. Oh, I'm leaving the Borio Villa right now. It has been unbelievable to spend so much time with people that I love and friends and making new friends. My Italian, I have to admit, has gotten a little bit better. It's not so great, but it's a little bit better. Sorry about the shaky on the screen there, but what a view. It's such a great day to leave, but it's such a painful day to leave. You know, two of the best times ever when I come to Italy are when I pack to come and get here and, you know, put the luggage in the house. And then you got that horrible day, which is today, which, you know, we're so blessed, obviously, but you're just so sad to pack your bags and leave. And the weather's been just spectacular. That's the Adriatic, and we had so many great meals here under the table. I do want to tell you, I haven't posted a lot other than shorts, just because we've been so busy, and I just didn't want to sit for a few hours editing when you have days like this, meals to eat, people to be with. But I will tell you this, I have so many notes, so many records, so many videos, literally so much stuff, so much content to share with you guys, that we are going to work as soon as my feet hit the American soil. So I'm really excited to bring you so much about the trip and about the culture. And obviously, guys, you know, we're Italian food lovers. I mean, the food, there's so many different recipes, and what's so great is all the regions of Italy. You know, Puglia is so unique, it's so specific. Also, that season, you know, the season of the year is going to allow you to have a different recipe, even though it may have the same title, because of what's available. So I want to share some of that with you. Obviously, Puglia is right near the sea, so we've got a lot of seafood recipes, some twists on some things that you guys had. I had this phenomenal dish. I just got to hand it to you, share it with you, which was cozzi. And I've never had it where they'll put like a bread and a cheese and an egg, and they put it inside, and they usually put it in like a red sauce. We had it last night, and it was deep fried. Oh, man, that was good. I'm just telling you, that was good. So I'm really excited to bring you that and so much more. Love and appreciate you guys. One last thing, I just want to thank you so much for all your support over the years with the channel, and we've grown. And make sure, if you haven't subscribe to the channel. But I'm always pushing our olive oil. So Vito and Joe's olive oil, I'm always saying, hey, it's from Puglia. We're in Puglia, and I'm always telling you, we co-op with some farms. So here's the Borio farm, and these are the trees, literally. Look at the size of these trees. These are the trees that much of the olive oil comes from, along with some other farms that we co-op right here in the area. And I'll tell you what makes great olive oil: sunshine, Puglia soil, and the breeze from the Adriatic Sea. I mean, it's just gorgeous. So if you haven't got yourself a bottle of olive oil, make sure you click the link, grab you and your family a couple of bottles. And listen, we're really excited to share so much with you guys here in the coming weeks. So keep an eye out for that. Also share our recipes, engage with us, ask us some questions, let us know how we can serve you, and certainly heighten your enjoyment and experience with what I try to bring you guys on a regular basis. Hey guys, listen, love ya. Ci vediamo till we see each other again. Okay. Look forward to talking to you guys next week from my kitchen. Mwah. Buon appetito.